Welcome to Akai Update. My name is Joseph Iyaji. I'm here to solve this question with you. But before I continue, I want to quickly let you know that this tutorial is sponsored by Akai Tutors Ile-Ife. Akai Tutors is located at number 67 Oduduwa College Road off Sabo Junction, Ile-Ife. Let's get into the business of this hour. The question on the board, we have 4 questions on the board that cut across different topics in English language. Now, the question 1 is an advanced English grammar that has to do with preposition, the right choice of preposition. Now, the question reads, she has been here blank the past 3 years, since, in, from, for. Now, in order to choose the right option from this question, I want you to take note that since and for in time expression attract, has, or have. In time expression, since and for attracts the auxiliary verb have and has. For attracts a specified or specific number. For tells us the exact length of time, while since only give us or tells us when a time began. You can use since without unspecified number. So when for is used, a specified or exact number is used, like 2, 3. So the suitable option for this place will be for and not since. Let's assume we have since last year, but we have for the past 3 years, not since last year. Not since the past 3 years, because number is used. Question 2. The correct answer here is 4. Question 2. Either Ekaite or you dash to go. This question is from Concord, and the type of Concord is proximity Concord. Proximity Concord. Whenever any of the correlating conjunction is used to link two separate subjects together, separate subject. Of course, everything here is the subject, but separate entities, separate persons or individuals together. The rule of proximity concord states that the verb will agree with the subject that is closer, that is nearer to the space. So you parenthesize everything from here, either Ekaite or you remove them. Then the sentence will start with you dash to go. A, you was to go. You are to go, you has to go, you is to go. What is our answer? The correct answer here will be that when you have, anytime you have you, whether that you is making reference to a singular person or a plural person, it must attract a plural verb. So our answer here will be option B. Question 3. The teacher with his wife dash here. This question is also from a topic we call Concord. Concord. And the type of Concord here is subordination Concord. How do we know? We know that by the linker, the subordinating indicator. This is a subordinating conjunction. So what the rule states is that the whole subject, you identify them with its formula. The formula for the subject is MHQ. This is the modifier here. This is the head word. And from here is the qualifier. And the rule of grammatical concord says that a singular subject takes a singular verb. Now, the qualifier is just describing is being subordinated. This is why, which is a noun, is subordinated or is functioning as a prepositional phrase completive, acting as a qualifier to the head word. Now, the head word is singular, so let's go to the options. The teacher, so you parenthesize this, you just remove this. You say the teacher was here, the teacher were here, which is wrong. The teacher were to be here, wrong. The teacher are here, wrong. So our correct answer is option A. And the topic is concord. The type of concord is subordination concord. Question 4. I want you to attempt this and provide the answer in the comment section of this post. He is one of those who dash in my school. This one is also concord. Of course, is one of concord. The subject of this expression is he, and the verb is. Then this one of those who dash in my school, is complementing who? Is giving us information about the subject. So it is subject complement. Everything, of course, is a clause because of the presence of this verb. But this verb, take note that this is relativizer. The correct option or the correct verb here, we agree with those, not one. Take note of that. So those, is it plural or singular? That will determine what will occupy this position because of the relativizer. The relativizer is talking about these those, not one. So that those who know about one of concord will not think that whenever one of is used, the verb will be singular. No, the verb that will occupy this position will be pluralized. Now, on a quicker note, I want to remind you that this tutorial is sponsored by Akai Tutors Ilefe, and Akai Tutors is currently preparing students who are interested in OAU post-UTME, OAU pre-degree, OAU School of Nursing, and OAU JUPEP. Should you are interested or you know any candidate who is seeking admission into OAU to any of the departments in OAU, you can call Akai Tutors on 08038644328. The number is on the screen. Thank you. My name is Joseph Iyaji. Bye-bye.